Still ahead on the early show, rapping like a pro and saving some cash at the very same time. Our expert shows you how to use what you have to make great holiday gift wrapping. The Bowdabra is in our studios this morning, folks.
Bowdabra, plus our chef on a shoestring. So first you spend a fortune on all of those holiday gifts.
Yep.
You really overdid it this year.
I know.
And then you got to wrap them all, right? The rolls of paper, the ribbons, the bows, the tape, the gift cards. Inevitably, you lose the scissors. It all adds up.
Yeah, Sandy Sandler is an expert gift wrapper and the creator of the Bowdabra. And she's here this morning with some tips on how to wrap all your presents using what you've got handy and a little ingenuity. Sandy, welcome.
Hi, thank you.
Good to see you. Good to see
So
you. Now, I'm going to need, I'm sorry, before you start, I'm going to need a huge bow. Houseboat, got to put something on it.
You know what?
Sorry, I don't want to give it away. But while
I have to admit, before we get any further, I like just saying Bowdabra. It's fun to say. So,
Well,
so it works for me.
yeah, talk to us about that. What do you got here?
Well, it's a craft tool. It lets anybody make hand-tied bows. There's springs in here that allow it to adjust to whatever ribbon you put in. So that's what makes it really easy. And I'll show you. I'll make a big, beautiful bow for you right now.
So this is something we can do at home. Pick out
easily.
any ribbon that you want.
Any ribbon.
Make your own bows, and it can be, too, not only, as we've been saying, it personalizes your gift because you're creating this yourself, but it also does, especially these days, it can be a little bit less expensive. You can get some great deals in craft stores.
Not only that, but we're using here, what we're doing is we're using ribbon that are just really scraps of extra ribbon. Yeah. And that's what they have back there is just scraps.
We have Priya and Lonnie working on, you can teach us. Working on some stuff.
We're getting serious.
We all save. You know, everybody saves their ribbon and off the packages, and it ends up in a bag in the garage.
See, in my family, we saved the bows, and my grandfather would make you carefully take the tape off so you can use them next year. But I think these look a little bit better. So this is
I haven't finished yet.
This is gorgeous, something that you really couldn't buy.
And that's just made with scraps.
It just made with scraps. It's great. So another thing that you can do, though, is make your own, in addition to the bows, your own
just stuff them all down
thing to put it in. In this case, a bag.
Well, yeah, and really what I like to do is it's fast, frugal, and green gift wrapping. And going green is also going frugal. So it's rather than going and spending a couple dollars on a gift bag, you can go in for $1, buy a canvas bag, and have your kids paint